Hi. I've got Drova running. Cause I'm classy. As book. Sometimes, not all the time. Once in a blue moon. When I say so. Hi, I hope you're well. Okay, we got Drova running. We're kinda ready for a chill, lovely day of bullshit. Hi. I'm a goober. A silly little goober. I hope you're having a good goober day. You know. May the gooberness take you, seize you, something. All aboard! Poop. All aboard! Poop maxing! God damn. Sorry. It was the only thing on my mind for 2 seconds, okay? It was the only thing there. It occulted everything else. It was blotted out and obscured. With only, not even thoughts of, just the desire to say. Right? Okay, we're gonna be playing Drova. I need to find my glasses. I barely pried myself to the computer. I've been very distractible. Did I take my meds? Hold on. I told myself I ought to. Like, I muttered at myself while I was, like, in the middle of mopping. Oh, I should sit this down and go take this. It's about time. I'm about on time. And then I was like, I walked away. And then I looked at it again, maybe 30 minutes later, and I think, no, an hour maybe. But I think I took it then, but I don't remember. So BRB. I gotta do a thing left at the end of the day, so I gotta do laundry before I go to bed. Well, I did towels. Wait. No, it's in the dryer. Holy shit, I forgot. It's already done. It's in the dryer. Holy shit. You know how I sometimes forget my laundry in the wash? Okay, today it's not in the wash. Sorry, I was checking our RTemp key, which is odd that we're using RTemp for YouTube. We're using HLS. I'm reading the stream settings right the fuck now. It says HLS. Why is it? Is it HLS is our scheme for blasting shit over RTemp? We're gonna read about this before I start playing the game. The game's already running. You can't call me a liar of a streamer for that. You can get at me for something else. I'll take other bullshit, just not that. Okay, HLS, over RTemp. There we go. HLS, RTemp, make it make sense. What came 12 seconds early? Which one had the timer on it? HLS was ahead. Make it make sense. Go away. Wait, is this gonna get better when we have pervasive IPv6 and packets can be 2 gigabytes each? Did you know IPv6 packets can be 2 gigabytes each? You know this shit's been ready since the 80s, right? Like, the fact that we're sleeping on IPv6 is still a travesty. Please tell me I'm not wrong. It was actually pinned in 1980 on the dot. Yo, this shit's older than half of the YouTube. Well, yeah, it's older than like a portion of the YouTube audience from metrics and what they say. I'm surprised not everyone sets their age as 69, honestly. That one gets me. Oh, never mind. 95, not 85. I can't speak English some days, even though it is my mother tongue. It might be, but I can still suck at it. Where did I read the other thing? Nope, hold on. Oh, okay, sorry. My apologies. The IETF began work on replacing it in the 1980s. And we can go to Aaron for this. Okay, we're gonna talk about computer stuff really quick, because I can, and I want to, so why the fuck not? Okay, so. I'm wondering if HLS is gonna take advantage of IPv6 to start blasting out, like, segmented 2 gigabytes at a time, like, little things. I wonder. Because if each IPv6 packet can be up to 2 gigabytes, right? Like, your current packet size isn't that big. Hold on. Whoop. Is it 6? Hold on. It's bytes. Bytes. Okay, it's 6 gigs. Okay, sorry, I had to like fumble. I could be really wrong. Oh. Never mind. That's E-5. It's a weird way to write this. It is genuinely a weird way to write this. Anywho's, this is the max size of an IPv6 packet. I guess you can put that into MBs. What the fuck is up with this thing? Holy shit. I'm not sorry. Megabytes. Yeesh. There. We're starting to get into like able to display size. 63, that's kilobytes. Kilobytes. Please be the right one. 65. This is obviously, but you know, whatever. This is a reasonable way to convert this that makes sense to people that we can like probably write and talk about easily, right? Okay, cool. It gets so much bigger. Anywho's, I wonder if it's gonna take advantage of that one day. That would be sick. I can't believe I keep thinking this is from the 80s. It's from 1993. The decision to replace IPv4 had come in the 1980s. However, we didn't actually get the proposition dropped until... I'm so used to people just like lazily calling it the day that the prop was like cracked is like the day that we switched, or the day that we had IPv6, you know? I'm way too used to that. It's a lazy thing that cool people say that makes them uncool. So every time I say that, you get to like fuck with me and make me start over. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Ooh, let's go read RFCs. I like RFCs. They're for me's. This document specifies Internet Standards Track Protocol. An Internet Standards Track Protocol for the Internet community. Any requests, discussions, and suggestions for the implementation, please refer to the current edition of the Internet Officials Protocol Standards, Standard Edition 1 for the standardized state and status of this protocol. Distribution of this memo is unlimited. Abstract. This document specifies version 6 of the Internet Protocol, IPv6, and sometimes referred to as IPv6 Next Generation or IPNG. This was the day. This is when shit was popping. Like, all the technology you're reaping the benefits from is still not catching up with 1995 packet routing half the time. I want you to just remember that every time you're mad at something, remember that your network engineers work really fucking hard. And no one treats them with any fucking goddamn respect. Okay. Anywho's. Boosh. This document specifies that authentication headers, RFC RFC 1826, by the way, and the IP encapsulating security payload, RFC 1827, to be used within IPv6 in conformance with the security architecture of the Internet Protocol, RFC 1825. There we go. 1825, 26, 1827. Those are your relevant RFCs for authentication headers, encapsulation security payloads, and then again, we'll reference you back for a broader approach on the security of IP protocol. Security architecture for Internet Protocol. Perfect. Yep. Yay. Yeah, you can go read how all this is made. You can read how the sauce is made. That's the important part. You need to be able to read how the sauce is made. RFCs are my favorite, are definitely a favorite to me. You know what though? You know what that means? We're gonna look for a specific RFC as well. Device and additions. Supports DRM, copyright protection, security, fuck that. 1 second, my brain just had a poop. What's it called again? We're using RTMP, okay. Sick. It's in there, it's waiting for us next. There we go. HLS introduces some delay, making it not ideal. For real-time applications, setting up HLS can be complex and requires technical expertise. What is RTMP? RTMP is from vertical designed by Adobe software. Systems for real-time transmission of video, audio, and data over the internet. It's intended for low latency interactive streaming and has been seen widespread applications and in live broadcast and video on demand. Okay, I can English. Live television, possibly, or live television over IP, maybe, or LAN-based. Because I imagine, like, what I was gonna do if I did a running stream is RTMP my phone to the water vapor in the sky called my home computer, going through like something to mirror where it goes. I'd basically be taking my outside footage, RTMPing it here. So chat would be live on the screen. The footage would have to be transmitted over RTMP from my remote location, like the running trail where I am alone, and would hopefully, I didn't do it because I couldn't put the effort or time or care into real-time identifying both my face and everyone else's face and making sure it blurred everyone else's face in a way that I was comfortable with, so we didn't do that yet. I'll care later. Give me some time. I'm doing stuff. We're doing big things. JK, we're doing little things. Okay. I was gonna take my phone and broadcast RTMP from my phone to somewhere. And the point behind that is even if it's a latency ridden, I can utilize local memory on my phone and blast it out. And I could give it a delay to make sure that it has time for post-processing. And, you know, we could do like multi-pass on it too, to make sure that our post-processing isn't bullshit. So, you know, run face detection multiple times with a longer buffer, knowing we're gonna have one anywho's. Okay, cool. So that's what I was considering. And I wonder if like intra-network stuff, like my phone to my computer, even if it's over a VPN or something else, or even if it's like attempting that connection via some extranet shit, I just wonder if that's incorporated in live broadcast. I wonder if that's how they're doing this too, because it is open. I want to know so much. Does anyone know someone in storage media and or broadcast that can let me like just follow them and ask weird questions about everything they love? Basically, they need to be down to talk about what they love as well. If they can do that, I have a lot of questions. And they probably won't think the questions are weird so long as, like, they don't mind that I have mush mouth a lot, and sometimes I can't fucking speak. Okay. RTMP offers low latency streaming, making it suitable for applications requiring real-time interaction like gaming interactions. RTMP supports various codecs and is compatible with a wide range of streaming software platforms. Cons: RTMP traffic can be blocked by firewalls, making it less accessible. RTMP does not natively support adaptive bitrate streaming. Ah, titties, fuck you. Okay. HLS uses HTTP, RTMP uses TCP or UDP. I think I was not caring and just blasting UDP and being like, fuck it, we ball. Miss some frames, see if I care. I was trying to, like, honest to Bob, I wanted to learn how I wanted to go about watching the footage for an update and trying to, like, have an actual disconnected screen. But that's how I would do that with RTMP, is I can, like, read the source from just that and do, like, operations based upon, is it even getting network traffic, which is less complex than doing video checking to see if it's rendering something instead of all that bullshit. It's fucking network traffic. That shit's really easy to see if it's going on without much overhead. All this video stuff requires decoding it, or when it's decoded, looking through large amounts of data for similar stuff and comparing that and all. It's so much extra work. Just look for fucking network traffic if it's this case. Fuck it. Fuck it. Or waiting for the next frame. I guess that's true. But, like, you know, the way that I'd considered it would be looking for a video update. The way that I could do it this way would just involve, like, network traffic as opposed to. Anywho's. So, it thinks HLS is higher latency in seconds, and this is milliseconds. Probably. Hey YouTube, you do have some latency, I'm sorry. Tolerance network fluctuations prone to disruption on poor connection. Maybe this would work for the run streams if I did that. CDN friendly, fragmented files, single stream requires dedicated server. I was curious about this because I wanted to do the thing in here. I was, like, wavering on it, right? Then I was like, or VPN. Okay. That got options, you know? It's supported with HLS 3.3 and chunk encryption. No native support, requires additional tools. Easy with standard HTTP libraries, requires dedicated RTM plugins. Yee. Less complex, easier to set up. Yee. Okay, I mean, we are interactive streaming. At most, YouTube's got, like, a second, like, not a second, rather, like, what is it? I can go check. It's actually, like, on the screen. I can check later. It's fine. I'll check later. Notable latency ranging from several seconds to over a minute, which makes it less suitable for real-time applications. In contrast, starting food shops, No, we're still using HLS, and, like, I don't have to tab open in the not logged in browser. I do in the logged in browser. Okay, no, I'm calling bullshit on my computer. I call bullshit very quickly. Eepers. Sorry. I have an error. If YouTube is having any issues with the stream, let me know though, by the way. Okay, yeah, we're at 3 seconds, right? We have 2.2-ish seconds. I refreshed the stream. It's barely between 1 to 2 seconds, right? Yee. 1.1, 1.01, 1.2-ish, once I've refreshed it and it's kind of stabilized. It's not, like, wild. Okay, that's cool. That works. I like that. That's pretty. 1 second. Dude. Wait, no, not that. That. Sick. Okay, what? Oh. For YouTube is having dropped network frames, though. But that's not a thing that I assume is on my end. I can check my stuff, too. But anywho's, I'm glad I went with both our TMP and HLS and consort. I'm glad we can go and read our TMP's thing-dinger. Give me 1 teeny second to actually check the statistics actively as I refresh the thing. Hi. Weird. I'm looking at the logs actively. Okay, hold on. Why are we losing frames on some bullshit? Weird. Okay. Sorry, I needed to read. I wanted to read. I can read. Sometimes, when I choose to. Morning. How are you? Later. I was vindicating my choice to use HLS, and then we began to instantly doubt it. Do you want to look at shit together? You want to do together, homie? We can get into shit together. We can do shit together. Talk about shit together. I'm so fucking... I'm a fucking goober. I am a goober, and I know it, and I have no redemption. I am still frame latency city. Huh. There. Clear log. Reset stats. Huh. I have awkward frame lag. Hold on, I'll type it. What the fuck is that? One sec. Brain.